and welcome back to my channel. And don't be surprised, this is how I look like in most of my videos without makeup, but I just did not put an effort to comb my hair today. So as you know by the title that I'm gonna give myself a makeover today, and by makeover I mean I'm gonna get my nails done, which is something that I really need. So first thing, to get nail extensions done. Then secondly, I was thinking about getting eyelash extensions as well, but then I realized they're too expensive, like 5,000 or 6,000. So I skipped that part. Then what else am I gonna get? Yes, I'm gonna get a haircut, and if possible, I am not sure because I am very skeptical about dyeing my hair, but you never know, okay? I'm just in a mood to get a makeover. So now we're gonna go to a salon to get my eyebrows done and my upper lips, forehead, and get a haircut. So let's just see what all I can get at the end of the day. Let's go! And now I'm gonna give myself a makeover by doing a really glam look. And I've already watched a bunch of makeup tutorials in which I kind of learned how to do my own face. थोड़ा बहुत पता ही है क्या होता है, like हम वीडियो देखते हैं पर जब हम खुद पे करते हैं तो वो एकदम terrible हो जाता है. So let's start. I'm gonna moisturize my face first. And if you guys want to know what all products I used in this video, then I'll put everything in the description box below. So do not forget to check that out. So now let's start with the base. I'm gonna be mixing these two foundations, and this one is LAKME's Invisible Finish Foundation with SPF 8. My shade is 02, and this one is Dream Satin Skin SPF 24, and my shade is B4. And I'm going to be blending this with a beauty blender. I am going to change my outfit later on, so I need to make sure that I have foundation and an even skin tone till here. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use my Nudes, Maybelline's Nudes palette, and it's just all ruined now. It doesn't have anything written on it now. And also I've used quite a lot of grey and brown shade, only if you can see. Woo! I think you saw that. Actually, I used the brown shade in the inner corners, and then the darker grey shade on the outer corners. The difference. I think I kind of messed up this eyebrow, but I'm not a makeup artist, so let's ignore that. Moving on to my eyes now, I'm gonna contour my eyes first, again using this palette only, the brown shade, and then we'll move on to kind of giving some dimension to it. Oh my god, I'm using such big words. I have no clue what I'm talking about, but then also, bear with me. Then I'm gonna add some black eyeshadow here at the corner, and the worst part is I have no idea how do people just make a U or a V kind of shape here. Whenever I'm done applying eyeshadow on my eyes, I'm left with a bhutni wali aankh, literally. But I have no idea how do they do it even. Never mind, let's just try it. Now I'll apply a little bit of black eyeshadow to give it a smoky effect. This is the step that I always screw up, but let's see. Now we'll move on to applying the shimmer thingy here. I saw this one YouTuber applying mascara before she applied the shimmer thingy, because I always apply the shimmer eyeshadow on top of this thing, but then it just doesn't show. I mean, I guess my palette is not that pigmented, or maybe I was applying it in a wrong way. And I forgot to make also. Wow, Upaasana, quality content. So let's apply some of this. Now let's apply a little bit of concealer here on my eyelids. I'm gonna blend it off camera with my finger. Now with the help of this brush, I'm gonna apply the shimmer shade. Kahan hai? So I'm gonna use this one now. Now I'll take a little bit of brown eyeshadow again and then try to blend it. I know I did a terrible job. You don't have to comment it, okay? I know. But then also, I think I like it. I think that looks okay. And now I'm gonna do this part of my face and that too off camera again. And then I'll meet you in... There you go. I tried to do it similar to this one, but I don't know if it worked or not. Now we are going to move on to... A lot of you people are cringing right now. Sorry. Now I'll contour my face with this contour stick from Maybelline We Face Duo Stick. For the blush and the highlighter again, पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है, but I am kind of a fan of Maybelline. So for that I'm gonna use this Master Contouring Kit. Again, as usually, following the trend of forgetting a lot of things, I forgot to curl my eyelashes and also apply the mascara. And I'm not a big fan of applying the eyeliner and the kajal because I used to do it back in, I guess, 2012 or 14, but now I just don't like it. So we'll skip that step and just do the mascara thingy. Is it with you or it's only me that one of my eye has longer eyelashes than the other one? And it's just so annoying. This one looks much more fuller than this. Anyways, I'm gonna apply my mascara, which is again from ORIFLAME. Now the last and the final step, which is applying the lipstick. So for that, I'm gonna apply this LAKME 9 to 5 creaseless lipstick, which I have no idea what the shade is. There's nothing here, so that's it. After applying this, I feel like this is just too bright and I wanted to go with a darker shade, so I'm gonna mix a bunch of lip shades. So the first one that I'm gonna apply is this that I use daily, this mauvish kind of shade from COLORBAR. Now we'll move on to selecting the outfit and then do our hair because that's much more convenient and that's what I want to do. So let's go. Yup, this is actually a festive makeover because I'm filming this on Diwali as I got sick and I couldn't upload anything on Diwali. So I thought of doing this kind of get ready with me, but not really get ready with me. Okay, I'll show you my outfit in a while, but before that I'm gonna show you how I did this because I'm gonna redo it as I messed up a little bit. Also, you guys already know that I am not at all a fan of middle parting, so I am stepping out of my comfort zone. Now I'll do it again. Wait. I just twisted all of my hair. Now I'm gonna secure them with these tic tac pins. Not a perfectionist again, but I think this looks nice. So now you'll see my outfit right here. This is what I'm wearing and I feel like कि शरारा होता तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता. But as you know that I got injured, so I couldn't go out and shop and basically I did not buy anything. So I had to put an outfit together with what I had. So this is the dress that I'm wearing, the black dress. I wore it on my last birthday. And the palazzo pant I got from Sarojini Nagar for only 200 rupees. And the dupatta is my sister's. And again, the jewelry, which I am about to wear right now. You can see here, I'm wearing it already. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like button, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I'm so sorry that I couldn't upload anything on Diwali. I mean, this video was in the pipeline at that time, but I just couldn't do it because I wasn't feeling well. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, bye. हाँ आ गई 2 मिनट. This powder under my eyes so that क्यों लगाते हो ऐसे?
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.